Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto investing or just getting started, this video is a must-watch. Today we're diving into a critical but often ignored topic: why regular security audits are essential for protecting your crypto portfolio. Because in Web3, one mistake can cost you everything. So, what exactly is a crypto security audit? In simple terms, it's like a regular health checkup for your crypto assets. It involves reviewing your wallets, private key storage, exchange accounts, devices, and even your trading habits to identify potential risks. Audits can be done manually by professionals or using advanced tools. The goal is simple: prevent hacks, scams, and personal errors before they happen. Crypto isn't like your bank. If someone steals your assets, there's no undo button. Here's why regular audits are a game changer. Prevent phishing attacks and wallet exploits. Identify vulnerabilities in smart contracts or dApps you're connected to spot suspicious activity in your exchange or wallet history. Ensure you're following best practices for private key and seed phrase storage. Even experienced users get hacked because they get too comfortable. Now the question is, how often should you do it? Ideally every 3 to 6 months or immediately after major events like connecting to a new dApp, transferring large amounts, airdrops or token swaps, device changes or software updates. Even if nothing feels wrong, a regular audit is about staying ahead of threats you haven't noticed yet. Some tools to help you stay secure: Etherscan to check wallet activity, Revoke.cash to remove old permissions, Ledger Live, Trezor Suite for hardware wallet monitoring, password managers for storing recovery phrases securely. And if you're not tech savvy, hire a professional for a private security review. It's worth the investment. So if you're serious about protecting your crypto, make security audits a part of your routine. Don't wait for a hack to take action. Stay one step ahead. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your crypto community, and hit that subscribe button for more tips like this. Got a question or want a full crypto audit checklist? Drop a comment below. I read everyone. Until next time, stay secure and stay smart. Here's what to do. Use blockchain tracking to trace the wallet address your crypto was sent to. Report the address to major platforms, like Etherscan exchanges, so it gets flagged. Contact a blockchain forensic firm or legal expert who specializes in crypto scams. Some names include Chainalysis, Cypherblade, and others. Never trust random crypto recovery services online. Most of them are scams that steal even more. Recovery here is rare, but possible if the stolen funds were moved to a centralized exchange that can freeze the wallet. If you lost your hardware wallet, your crypto is still safe, as long as you have the seed phrase. Steps to recover: buy a new device, Ledger, Trezor, etc. During setup, choose Restore from Recovery phrase. Enter the 12 to 24 word phrase, and your wallet will be restored, including balances and tokens. If you've lost both the device and the seed phrase, unfortunately, recovery isn't possible. This is why it's critical to store your recovery phrase offline and in multiple secure places. Final tips to protect your crypto: use hardware wallets and never store private keys online. Always back up your seed phrase on paper or secure encrypted storage. Turn on two-factor authentication on all crypto platforms. Never click on links or DMs offering recovery services. Double-check addresses and network chains before sending crypto. Use multi-sig wallets or password managers for added security. That means ultimate freedom, but also ultimate responsibility. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop a comment below with your situation, or if you've ever recovered lost crypto before. You might help someone else too. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.